Hi guys, it's me Grissel and welcome back to Watercolor DIY. Today we're gonna learn how to paint layered poppy flowers using watercolors. So let's begin. Make sure the paint is watery so that you get a transparent effect. So here we're making 3 colors of poppy flowers: yellow, orange and blue. Make sure the petals are dry before you start the next set of petals. This time add a little bit of more color, but make sure the transparent effect is still there. Now we wait for these set of petals to dry and then move on to the next layer. So which color of these poppy flowers did you like? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon.